Have you come across Oyikey Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder and wondered if it's worth your money? This product claims to strengthen teeth and gums with its natural mineral formula, promising a refreshing and healthier oral experience. It's marketed as an all-in-one solution for oral health, which sounds appealing. But is Oyikey a legitimate product, or is it just another cleverly marketed scam? One of the first red flags is its lack of uniqueness. Oyikey Teeth Restoration Powder isn't exclusive. It's sold under various names like Gulen, Zvil, and Poles Mineral. These products use identical images, descriptions, and claims. Even though Oyikey is listed on platforms like Amazon, that doesn't automatically mean it's legitimate, as not all sellers on these platforms are trustworthy. The branding adds another layer of suspicion. If you closely examine the product images, the Oyikey logo seems digitally added, possibly to make it look like it belongs to a unique company. This kind of manipulation raises serious questions about transparency. Why would a genuine brand need to edit its images? Adding to this, the certifications on the product, like FDA approved and made in the USA, appear blurred and unclear. If these were legitimate, there would be no reason to obscure them. Then there's the pricing. Oyikey is sold for around $14, but the identical product can be found on Alibaba for as little as $2. This massive markup raises doubts about the source and quality of the product. If you're still tempted, buying directly from Alibaba could save you money, though you'd face longer shipping times and less support. While Oyikey might seem like an affordable and effective oral health solution, the red flags are hard to ignore. Between its questionable branding, unclear certifications, and significant price disparity, it's difficult to trust this product. Always research thoroughly and stick to reputable brands with verified reviews to ensure your safety and satisfaction.